Yo, so we got brand new plastics on my YZ450, original OEM. The bike feels like a whole new bike, dude. Like, placebo effect, I don't know, but it's amazing! Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Lars, AK Motor Bro, and the 450, she's looking a little rough as you can see. I think it's time to put some new graphics on this bad boy and just clean her up and get her all dialed in. So gang, as you can see, the 450, she is looking pretty rough. I think it's time to put the new plastics on. Right over here, you can see we got the OG plastics. It's gonna go from that blue back to that OG color. It sort of looks funky, bro. Like with no front fender, it almost reminds me of a Suron, bro. There she goes. There she goes, bro. The big 450 plastics. Psych! I'm ready for that new shit. You heard? Oh my god, my exhaust has gone through it. I don't know if this is supposed to be a dent on this side, but I have that. So, if you ever wondered where your battery is, this is where your battery is, right here, under the seat. And then we got the little ECU box right here. Yeah, she's looking pretty damn good, bro. Alright. Oh, we got the rear fender off. Alright, as you can see, we got the graphics on. I'm freaking dying. I feel like I just went swimming in a pool because I'm drenched in sweat, bro. This little bolt right here, where is it? This little bolt was a freaking pain, bro. It kept like popping out of here and not lining up. But finally we got it. Yo, but the new graphics, they make me feel like I'm a new rider, bro. Like, it feels so good and just dialed. Like, I know the graphics have nothing to do with like how the bike feels, but like, it's that placebo, bro. It's that goddamn placebo effect. It's gotta be, bro. Maybe just like seeing the different colors while I'm on the bike is making the difference, but I don't know. But look at this, bro. This bike has never been scraped. You see this? OG plastics with the OG Yamaha sticker on the rear fender, which is probably the most badass thing about having original plastics, is that goddamn sticker. Start her up. We're just gonna twist around, have a little bit of fun. Probably gonna shred. Let's go this way, bro. Like, yeah, the lot's cool and all, but there's a lot cooler areas over here we can just freaking vibe out to. Let's see if we get this turn. Easy money, brother. Woo! Man, so good. So you might be saying, yo, Motor Bro, like, didn't this bike come with these plastics? Like, I'm a little confused, bro. I know you had the blue ones on there, but like, where'd you get these from? And yes, when I bought the bike originally, it came with these plastics, but I always wanted the blue plastics. Then I had the blue for a while, and I was like, you know what, I'm sort of over the blue, bro. Like, I want to switch it up, go back to the original, and boy, am I freaking happy I did that. Like, right now, at least, like, she just feels so good, bro. And she cambered out, bro. Alright, well, we know the wheel skis are doing great with the new plastics. Let's see the off-road, bro. Woo! Oh! I was going a little too fast. Yeah. Man, we can pick it up off-roading. Are you kidding me? Wait, what the hell? There's a trail back here? Oh, you already know we're going. Bro, I've been to this lot so many times, and I've never seen this trail. This is going to be interesting. It probably leads to like a house or something, I'm guessing. bro. What the hell? Or is this the airfield? Uh-oh. This might be the airport, bro. Okay, I don't think it really leads anywhere to an empty field, but I know the airport's right here, and I don't want to get no freaking FFA on me, you know, feel me? I've already seen what happened to freaking Trevor. If you know what I'm talking about, bro. Trevor, to be honest, I forgot his last name. Trevor Jacobs. If y'all haven't seen that, bro, y'all better freaking look that up right now on your YouTube, because you are going to be blown away. Just type in Trevor Jacob plane, and yeah, strap up. A little off-road, full speed. Woo! Oh my gosh, bro. That's probably the most fun, scary, but fun adrenaline thing to do, is just freaking full throttle while spinning your rear wheel on the dirt. You know, I ain't gonna lie, I know it's placebo effect, but like new plastics, the bike feels like a whole new bike, bro. It feels like a new dirt bike. Yeah, bro, it feels so good. Woo! Bro, oh my god, I'm stoked. I am stoked with these graphics. Like, bro, just look how they are shining right now. So she is complete. We got the OG graphics on, and oh my gosh, did this completely just transform the goddamn bike, bro. She looking like a night rider. Ooh, them real plastics, bro. No stickers on there. Just real OG. One of my favorite parts of having OG graphics is on the rear fender. You get the OG Yamaha sticker. Look how pretty that thing is, bro. Never been scraped in its life, bro. This fender has never seen the ground. Wow. I wonder how long that will last. Alrighty, gang. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll give you guys one last look at the graphics. As you can see, but I didn't even scrape it. Should I scrape it before I go? Nah, we're keeping this thing nice. Remember, stay motivated, stay disciplined. If you guys are still watching, thank you guys so much. Like, I've been having trouble posting the stuff I want to post with, you know how the tubes be sometimes, bro. They're a little freaking strict right now. I'm trying my best, bro, to get the freaking footy out there, but the tubes ain't allowing it right now. So yeah, if you stay to the end, bro, if you stay to the end, put 5-5 in the comments, bro. And you're a real one, bro. If you literally are still watching me during this outro, you are a flipping real one. And bro, thank you guys so much for the support and just watching my videos over the last like 8 years, because I've been doing this for a minute now. Love you, gang. Peace.